Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my first impression of the Sleep A20 Bluetooth earbuds by Soundcore. I got these earbuds because I'm living in a studio apartment with my boyfriend and was needing something other than my AirPods to help me sleep at night whenever he's up and moving around making noise. So as you can see, it comes in a cute little case. I actually do think that the case is a little too large for the earbuds in my opinion. It's a lot of real estate in comparison to the size of the earbuds, but you'll see that later in the video. Along with the earbuds come some ear tips and ear wings for you to try on and switch out as you see fit. I do end up changing mine for a tighter fit later on in the video. The earbuds already look a lot more comfortable than what I'm used to with AirPods. Unlike AirPods, the exterior is soft and doesn't give you the impression of being uncomfortable to put in your ear. In the user guide, there's a QR code that takes you to the Soundcore app. This app has its own white noise library along with other features like Sleep Insights, which monitors your sleep, and also something else called the AI brainwave audio that I'll show you at the end of this video. First, I'm going to connect my device so that I can walk you through the app. I recorded a few sounds from the white noise library so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. Next, I'll be changing the ear tips on my earbuds for what feels most comfortable to me. I chose an extra small ear tip because I'm used to my earbuds falling out at night. Now they're good for me to try them out. If you try the app, don't be thrown off by the sounds in the library as they don't sound the greatest. I had to experiment a little to get them to sound better, but ultimately chose to resort to Spotify for my white noise. They sound really good when using all other apps, but the white noise library really doesn't cut it for me, so I just went back to Spotify. The AI brainwave audio and soundscapes are a million times better though. Later, I also had to change out the ear wings because replacing the ear tips wasn't enough for me. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the Soundcore earbuds to my AirPods Pro case. As you can see, the AirPods case is smaller than the Soundcore case, but I do like that the Soundcore case is soft to the touch, just like the earbuds. The AirPods are a bit too rough on my ears when trying to sleep at night, while the Soundcore earbuds are easy to fit snugly into my ear for a long period of time. Having slept with them a few times already, they haven't fallen out once. They're definitely a lot more comfortable for sleeping in than AirPods. I will say that when it comes to reducing as much noise as possible, AirPods outperform Soundcore due to their noise canceling feature, which Soundcore doesn't have. The product description says they have noise blocking design with sound masking, but this shouldn't be confused with true noise cancellation. I had to turn up the volume on my phone to mask the noise around me, which I didn't like. After filming this video, I tried them out and found that these earbuds are so much more comfortable than AirPods. I sleep on my side, and these earbuds don't even feel like they're there, as they don't fall out throughout the night and don't cause any pain. So far, I'm happy that I took a chance with these, and I don't think I'll be using AirPods for sleeping anytime soon. I'll be uploading an in-depth review of these earbuds once I've tried out the other features. Until then, thank you for watching.